Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Battlefield REDSEC game crashing, not loading, lagging, not launching, black screen or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. First method is to restart the game. For that, you have to select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller, then select quit option. Finally, restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to clear persistent storage. For that, open settings, then choose device and connections and click on Blu-ray. Now select persistent storage and choose clear persistent storage. Now this will help you to clear the cached data. Next method is to check internet connection. Open Xbox menu, then select settings, then choose network settings, then test network connection. Now wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next is to perform a power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next solution is to check for Battlefield REDSEC update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you update your game if there is any update available, and after that check if the problem is fixed. Next method is to clear cache of Battlefield REDSEC. For that, press Xbox guide, then click on My Games and Apps, then tap on See All. Here search for Battlefield REDSEC game, then press menu, then choose Manage Game and Add-ons. Then tap on Save Data and then click on Reserved Space. Finally tap on Clear Reserved Space. Next solution is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on Settings under Profile and System. Next, go to Account, then click on Remove Accounts. Here, choose the account to remove and then select Remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, next solution is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First, open settings on your Xbox, then choose system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click it to begin the updating process. Once done, check if it helps. Next is to check storage space. For that, press Xbox button, then go to Profile and System, then click on Settings, then click on Systems, then click on Storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space. Next solution is to reinstall Battlefield REDSEC game. For that, press Xbox button controller, then move to My Games and Apps, then select See All option. Here select Battlefield REDSEC game, then press menu button and select uninstall. After the game is removed, open Battlefield's REDSEC official website and download the game once again and then try to play it and see if it resolves the problem. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Just go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide you what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.